When you move your mouse, it pauses for a split second. You try to aim, and something just feels off. A lot of people struggle with this issue, and the surprising part, it's not your game, it's not your emulator. The real cause is a small Windows setting called Enhanced Pointer Precision. In this video, I'll show you why this setting can mess with your mouse accuracy, and how to turn it off to get perfectly smooth mouse movement back.
That's all. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Enjoy.